Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change your TikTok username. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your TikTok account. Once you're there, you click on what edit profile, after which you simply click on what username. So after which you insert the username in which you want to use. Let's say your new username, Mukubetech. So after that, simply click on what save. Have in mind that you can only change your TikTok username every after 30 days once you change it. So I'm going to click on what confirm. So guys, that's actually the way you change your TikTok username. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.